a comprehensive guide on how to get started in real estate investing. Real estate investing holds the promise of wealth building and generating passive income, but it's a journey that requires careful planning and understanding of potential risks. This detailed guide will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap for embarking on your real estate investment journey. We'll delve into crucial aspects such as 1. Choosing the right investment strategy. 2. Finding exceptional real estate deals. 3. Financing your real estate ventures. 4. Effective property management. 5. Avoiding common pitfalls. Let's dive deeper into each of these components to help you lay a solid foundation for your real estate investment endeavors. Your path to real estate investing begins with selecting the appropriate investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and available resources. Here are some popular strategies. 1. Buy and hold. This is the most conventional approach where you purchase and hold a property for the long term, benefiting from rental income and property appreciation. 2. House flipping. This strategy involves buying distressed properties, renovating them, and selling for a profit within a relatively short period. 3. Rental properties. Invest in properties and earn income by renting them to tenants. It's an excellent way to generate steady cash flow. 4. Real estate syndication. Pool resources with other investors to acquire large properties, reducing individual risk and potentially reaping higher rewards. Once you've chosen your investment strategy, the next step is to uncover excellent real estate opportunities. Consider these steps. 1. Networking. Connect with other experienced real estate investors, attend seminars, and join local real estate investment groups to tap into their knowledge and potential deals. 2. Online research. Utilize online listings, real estate websites, and social media platforms to explore available properties and market trends. 3. Patience and persistence. Good deals take time to find. Don't rush into a purchase. Carefully evaluate each potential investment to ensure it aligns with your criteria. Financing your real estate ventures. Unless you have substantial savings, you'll need to secure financing for your real estate investments. Here are various financing options to consider. 1. Mortgage. The most common option, where you secure a loan with the property itself as collateral. 2. Hard money loan. A short-term loan used typically for fix and flip projects. It's faster to secure but comes with higher interest rates. 3. Seller financing. In some cases, the seller of the property may provide financing, making it more accessible for you. 4. Private money loan. Funds provided by private investors who are willing to finance your real estate ventures. Effective property management. Once you've acquired a property, efficient management is essential for maximizing returns. Key aspects of property management include 1. Tenant selection. Conduct thorough tenant screenings to ensure reliable and responsible renters. 2. Rent collection. Implement a streamlined system for rent collection and address any late payments promptly. 3. Maintenance and repairs. Regularly maintain and repair your properties to keep them in good condition and maintain their value. 4. Property management services. If you lack the time or expertise, consider hiring a property management company to handle day-to-day operations. Avoiding common pitfalls. Lastly, it's essential to be aware of common mistakes made by real estate investors and take steps to avoid them. 1. Overpaying for a property. Extensive research is vital to ensure you're paying a fair price for your investment. 2. Lack of cash reserves. Always maintain cash reserves to cover unexpected expenses such as repairs and vacancies. 3. Inadequate property management. Neglecting proper property management can lead to tenant issues and property deterioration. Real estate investing can be a powerful way to build wealth and create passive income streams. However, it's not without its challenges and risks. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide, you can lay a strong foundation for your real estate investment journey. Additional tips. Get educated. Continuously expand your knowledge through courses, books, seminars, and online resources. Network with other investors. Learning from experienced investors and seeking advice can be invaluable. Start small. Begin with a modest investment to gain experience and confidence before taking on larger projects. Be patient. Real estate investing is a long-term endeavor, Don't expect immediate riches. With dedication and careful execution, you can realize your financial aspirations over time. Thanks for watching. To get more related content, please subscribe to Good to Know.